So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a strobe light effect on your Premiere Pro. Now in order to do it, just simply first of all enable the effects panel right from here. Enable the effects panel, and under the effects panel you simply need to search for strobe over there, and you'll quickly find the strobe effect right there. Here you can see the strobe light. Just simply drag and drop it to the video that you want to apply the effect. Now under the settings you simply need to uh, uh, right there you simply need to set the duration to stroke duration right there to 1, and let's say this one random seed, and here you see this speed duration set it to 0.1 right there, and similarly, and stop period, let's say right there stop period to 0.2, I would say. And once you do it, you'll notice that a flash and strobing effect have been created on your videos just by using the strobe effect. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.